Hello guys, my name is Noel and today we are playing Animal Hospital. I played this game before. This is my first voice reveal, so I really hope you like my video and let's get started. I'm watching the news, so yeah. Why are they always in the chair, bro? Whatever. Let me ask if they want to check in. Actually, never mind. I feel like this game is like Dandy's World but better. But yeah, I just think about that a lot. It's like Dandy's World but better. I hope it doesn't act like the toxic fandom like Dandy's World. Why do you have coffee already, bro? Did he leave? Oh my gosh. Well, this is gonna be stressing. And by the way, if I die, then I have to end this video. So, yeah. I like talking when I'm alone, but yeah, just that. Can't believe they ditched on me, but I got this. Alright, let's go to the other patient.
Virginia with 4 counts of second-degree murder and 4 counts of operating while intoxicated causing death. The crash on July 1st killed a family of 4 who had stopped to change a tire along.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Grange Hall Road in Holly. Pace is accused of driving over 90 miles per hour with a blood alcohol level more than 4 times the limit at the time of his crash.
Let's check this. I think it's 2 things now. Just right as I drop. Why can't these be in the room? They should add an update for that, for them to be in the room. We should have skipped Dr. Dialogues. Dr. Harlow should help us, I don't know.
The suspect is getting treated at a hospital right now. There are still down trees all over Metro Detroit tonight, showing why so many people lost power.
I am not trying to die today, so
Customers have had their power restored. But right now, come back on. Many of you have
alright. It's gonna get harder and harder each shift so I should get. I love interns so much. Let's check cameras. Are they gonna twitch? They're good. They're not anomalous. Gotta check their ears. Okay, that's normal. I'll take care of you in a second.
$42, that credit is not enough. We recognize the inconvenience this event.
Okay, that guy looks weird.
Customers, the $42 credit is actually across
having these storage thingies. Like, it's actually being annoying now. And I almost deleted every picture in my photos and deleted every app that I have except Roblox, Minecraft, and Mellow Sandbox definitely. Well, I haven't deleted those yet. Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, Rafu! Hi, Rafu. Hi, Rafu. Rafu is normal. I know that. Do you guys know that, like, that black cat thing?
Are you sure? How did that even happen? There's no undo or anything?
He was messing with the console as I was working. I don't know what happened, but before I could try to get him back, the floor opened up and...
That's convenient.
Jax.
What? Are we all just supposed to forgive this? This guy messed up in the worst possible way he could. Now, we have nothing.
Jax, please, just calm down. We're
Anything else you want to tell us?
Jax!
What? He gets to mess up like this and everyone takes his side?
Brain scans. Scratch was trying to make a brain scanner. I didn't think it actually worked. We didn't know how to work with the files, and they were impossibly small, given what they were supposed to be. I saw a folder full of them when I was in Kane's code. So, I guess Kane found a way to get them working.
That means...
I know what it means. Congratulations, Zooble! Guess you still get to leave your mark in the world. Oh, isn't that fun?
Jax!
I guess you still get to hang out with Mommy after all, right, Rags?
Shut up, Jax!
Guess I'm... still...
I know. I think I've always known. It just... for some reason... it still hurts so much to hear it.
I know it hurts, but we still have each other. We're all in this together. Need any help?
Sure, if you want to give it a try. Relax your body and mind. Deep breaths. And try not to think too hard about it.
I really wanted to help.
You had a good start.
I thought I could uplift everyone, but everything's gotten so bad. God, am I stupid for even trying?
No, none of this is your fault. I don't think anyone could have predicted things to play out the way they did.
I'm scared. I don't know what's gonna happen.
You know, out of all the people I've seen enter this place,
I was a nervous wreck.
so was I. It's a lot for anybody to go through. But while the others took weeks, hell, even months to get used to everything, myself included, you found your footing in a matter of days. And not just that, you've also become someone they can trust, even if they don't seem receptive. This.
We've been here before.
Have we?
Yeah. Back in the Milden Hall Manor. I doubt you remember.
Well, it's still true. It may take time, but they'll come around. We can't fix every problem. Not with ourselves. Not with the world around us. But we can still do what we can.
It's gonna be a lot of work.
But it won't be a lot of work alone.
I don't know what the trouble's been, but it's too much to get over you. You're much too much to get over.
Never mind.
I wish I'd cried a little more. I somehow forgot how bad it can get.
What do we do now? What can we do? Of course he'd do this. Of course he'd wait until there's nothing we could do about it. That's just so... God damn it, Jax.
Okay, I am being too quiet. I am gonna use text-to-speech now, bro. Please leave. Mind you guys, if he gets a concussion, it's not my fault. Okay, they are normal so far. I know I will lose sanity, but I just want him to leave. Did you guys like the show? To be honest, I think everyone liked the last episode of The Amazing Digital Circus. Yay, they are normal.
Leavee.
Voice crack. Be right back, patient. That didn't even jump scare me, but whatever. I swear if Barney is here, I'm gonna save it just in case Barney the dinosaur comes. I freaking knew it. Here, you big back. Can't believe I wasted my coffee on him. Nope, not today. Okay, my microphone works, bye-bye.
What? Who are you visiting? Oh, heck no. Who are you visiting? Nope. Honestly, are you okay? Your digital footprint is looking so insane. It's like, let's check the kid. Got me in this spot. 24/7. Alright, next person. Hi, we're triplets. Hi, we're triplets. Just that. Okay, wait a minute. Hi, we're triplets. Hi, we're triplets. Okay, there you go. Now, where's the next person? Is it Rafi? No. Red. Red. Yellow. Red. Red, red, yellow, red. Drops medkit maple. Hi, we're triplets. Okay. They're probably gonna say that. Weird. Oh my god. What the heck? Uh-oh. Yep, we are cooked, guys. We are cooked. Oh no. Oh my god, why? Is she right there? I gotta do this guy. They're about to die. Come on, hurry up, bro. Hi. Crash Bruises Fever. Here. Oh my god. I am crushing it right now. Oh shoot! I made cough syrup. Oh my god, what was that? I don't have the taser. Oh no, I don't have the taser. Give me this taser. Go. Please. Oh my gosh, bro. This is stressing. Hi, what's your place? Why is this actually easy? Oh my gosh. Okay, bring me some coffee. Who's next? Oh wait, yeah, right. Oh my god. What the? Fried rice. They're about to die in minute surgery. Oh my god, this is stressing. I need some coffee. I'm cooked. Wait, no, I'm not cooked. I'm not cooked. These drops. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't have a taser, right? No.